Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of PrestaShop Add Product with Customization directly into Cart module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module and I'll also take you through the whole workflow of the module. But before going to the workflow, let me just tell you that using this module, you can now remove the necessary step of saving the customization first in order to add the product along with the customization to cart. Now using this module, your customers will no longer need to save the customization in order to add the product along with the customization into the cart. Now to know more about the workflow of the module, let's just go to the PrestaShop back office where I have already installed this module. This is the configuration page of the module. The configuration page consists of two sections. So let's see each of the sections and available options in these sections one by one. The first option is hide save customization button. In case if you want to hide the save customization button, because the primary motive of this module is to remove the step of saving the customization first. So you can choose to hide that button and or show according to your own choice from here. Then next is disable customization fields if stock management is enabled. You can choose to disable the customization fields if you have enabled the stock management. I'll just tell you where this stock management option is available. To enable or disable that option, go to the product settings section under the shop parameters, where under this product stock section, the second option is of enable stock management. You can choose to enable or disable that as per your own choice. As you can see that I have already enabled this option, so I can choose to disable or enable the customization fields from here. Now next is theme selectors. As you already know that while using a custom theme, it does not uses a default selectors. So for proper functioning of the module or to show customization button or add to cart button, you can choose to customize the selectors data from here according to your custom theme. However, this data is already filled on the basis of PrestaShop classic theme. Now let's just go to the PrestaShop product section where we will know how to add a customization field to a product. Let's just take a product first. After clicking on the product, you will land on this page where you can go to the options section. Here an option of customization is available. You can choose to add various customization fields from here. Let's just add two customization fields first, that is text, label and a file field. Both customization field can be added. Let's just save this data. We have not kept it required, so customer can choose to leave the fields blank and proceed with the shopping without adding any data into those fields available on the store. It might just take some time to save the data. Until then, let's just go to the front office where this product is available. This is the product, Hummingbird printed t-shirt. As you can see, we have successfully added the customization fields, and this customization field is not mandatory, so we can choose to add the product without keeping this field, without entering any data in the field. However, let's just add something into this field to show you how we can save the customization data or choose to add the product along with the customization data without saving the customization first. However, we just need to show the save customization button here first with the help of the module configuration settings, because we have kept that disabled. so it is not showing on the product page. Let's just show it so that it would be easy to understand. Let's just enter something in the field. As you can see that I have added this both here, but I am not clicking on this save customization button. Instead, I'll just click on this add to cart button. As you can see, a preview is also available now on the product page. However, if you wish to see that, you cannot see here on the product page, because after adding the product to a cart, you cannot click on this cart overview pop-up because this customization will now be removed. So let's just add this customization again and proceed to add this to a cart. As you can see that I have successfully added the product along with the customization without using the save customization button, and the details of the customization can be seen from here by clicking on this button. So in this way your customers can easily use this method where they will no longer need to click on the save customization button first in order to add the product into the cart along with the customization, because earlier without the use of this module they need to save the customization first in order to add the product along with the customization. So this was all about the PrestaShop add product with customization directly into cart module. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.